Welcome to our detailed video covering the most important MCQ on ethics in teaching aptitude for upcoming B.Ed entrance. In this video, we go through key question answers for ethics in teaching aptitude and more, with a question answer format that's perfect for last minute revision. Let's start. Teaching aptitude. Questions number 21. Teaching aptitude is A. Skill to supervise. B. Ability to teach effectively. C. Ability to control. D. Personality test. Answer. B. Ability to teach effectively. 22. A good teacher should be A. Strict only. B. Patient and understanding. C. Harsh. D. Reserved. Answer. B. Patient and understanding. 23. Learner-centered teaching focuses on A. Students' needs. B. Teacher's schedule. C. Rote learning. D. Exams only. Answer. A. Students' needs. 24. Lesson planning helps in A. Organized teaching. B. Free teaching. C. Boring classes. D. Discipline. Answer. A. Organized teaching. 25. Formative assessment is done A. During the learning process. B. After exams. C. Once a year. D. Never. Answer. A. During the learning process. 26. Summative assessment means A. Final evaluation. B. Random testing. C. Continuous marking. D. Observing behavior. Answer. A. Final evaluation. 27. Motivation in teaching improves A. Student engagement. B. Rules. C. Syllabus. D. Punishment. Answer. A. Student engagement. 28. Bloom's taxonomy classifies A. Learning objectives. B. Teacher salaries. C. Homework. D. Attendance. Answer. A. Learning objectives. 29. Pedagogy refers to A. Art of teaching. B. Physical education. C. Parent meetings. D. Discipline rules. Answer. A. Art of teaching. 30. Audio-visual aids help A. Improve learning. B. Create noise. C. Avoid reading. D. Only entertainment. Answer. A. Improve learning. 31. Inclusive education includes A. All learners, including disabled. B. Only toppers. C. Only English speakers. D. Special schools only. Answer. A. All learners, including disabled. 32. Classroom management is about A. Maintaining learning environment. B. Giving punishments. C. Avoiding students. D. Assigning homework. Answer. A. Maintaining learning environment. 33. Teacher-centered methods focus on A. Teacher's input. B. Students' interaction. C. Group discussion. D. Practical learning. Answer. A. Teacher's input. 34. Experiential learning involves A. Learning by doing. B. Learning by watching TV. C. Only reading. D. Rote learning. Answer. A. Learning by doing. 35. Cooperative learning promotes A. Teamwork. B. Competition. C. Memorization. D. Silence. Answer. A. Teamwork. 36. Socratic method uses A. Questioning technique. B. Storytelling. C. Group singing. D. Notes. Answer. A. Questioning technique. 37. Diagnostic evaluation identifies A. Learning gaps before teaching. B. Homework errors. C. Teacher's errors. D. Results. Answer. A. Learning gaps before teaching. 38. Scaffolding in teaching means A. Temporary support for learning. B. Giving answers. C. Promoting exams. D. Using ladders. Answer. A. Temporary support for learning. 39. Feedback helps students to A. Improve performance. B. Skip topics. C. Get marks. D. Avoid study. Answer. A. Improve performance. 40. Reflective teaching means A. Analyzing and improving teaching. B. Telling stories. C. Using reflection boards. D. Changing subjects. Answer. A. Analyzing and improving teaching. I hope this video helped you for your B.Ed entrance exam. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational content. Comment below what topic you want next. Thank you for watching.